Is your Xumo box stuck in Spanish? Don't worry, it's a common issue with a simple fix. The problem often stems from regional settings, firmware glitches, or setup errors. The easiest solution is to navigate to the Settings menu and change the system language back to English. Start by using your remote to access the settings. Use your remote to go to Settings, then navigate to the General Settings. Look for the language option. It might be labeled in Spanish, but the icon is usually a globe or A symbol. Select the option and choose English from the list. A stable internet connection is needed for the change to sync. In most cases, this will immediately solve the problem. If not, proceed to the next step. If the language doesn't change, ensure your Xumo box has the latest firmware. Outdated firmware can cause language issues. You can usually update it in the System or About section of the Settings menu. If updating doesn't work, a factory reset might be necessary. Go to Settings, then System, and select Factory Reset. This will erase your settings, so you'll need to set up your Xumo box again, but it often resolves persistent language issues. When setting it back up, make sure to select the correct language. Some users reported needing a VPN set to a US server to resolve the issue after a factory reset if it continues to default to Spanish. As a last resort, contact Xumo support for further assistance. They have updated guides and can provide specific troubleshooting steps.